Beating my drum like dum.
Welcome back and happy Sunday. This week I'm gonna show you a few dressing recipes, and few of you already know that I'm following anti-cancer protocol. That's why I'm not eating almost any fats coming from oils. That's why this recipe gonna be oil free and milk free. So let's get started and check the recipes right now.
Beating my drum like dum diddy day. I like the dirty rhythm you play. I wanna hear you calling my name like, hey mama. Yes, I'll be your woman, yes, I'll be your baby. Yes, I'll be whatever that you tell me when you're ready. Yes, I'll be your girl, forever your lady. You ain't never gotta worry, I'm down for you, baby. Like, best believe that when you need that, I'll provide that. You will always have it, I'll be on deck. Keep it in check, when you need that, I'ma let you beating my drum like dum diddy day. I like the dirty rhythm you play. I wanna hear you calling my name like, hey mama. Yes, I do the cooking, yes, I do the cleaning. Yes, I keep the real sweet for ya. Yes, I'll be the boss, and yes, I'll be respecting whatever that you tell me, cause it's being you be spitting. Oh, best believe that when you need that, I'll provide that. You will always have it, I'll be on deck. Keep it in check, when you need that, I'ma let you beating my drum like dum diddy day. I like the dirty rhythm you play. I wanna hear you calling my name like, hey mama. Got the juice, your man came the truth. My scream is the proof. The mother dudes get the dues when I leave in the coop. Leaving this interview, it ain't nothing new. I've been messing with you. Make sure that he's getting his share. Make sure that his baby take care. Make sure I'm my toes and my knees. Keep him here, drop him down, be a lady and a freak. Oh, beating my drum like dum diddy day. I like the dirty rhythm you play. I wanna hear you calling my name like, hey mama. Yes, I'll be your woman, yes, I'll be your baby. Yes, I'll be whatever that you tell me when you're ready. Yes, I'll be your girl, forever your lady. You ain't never gotta worry, I'm down for you, baby. Like, best believe that when you need that, I'll provide that. You will always have it, I'll be on deck. Keep it in check, when you need that, I'ma let you beating my drum like dum diddy day. I like the dirty rhythm you play. I wanna hear you calling my name like, hey mama.
Welcome back. As usual, you saw that the recipes are super fast and easy, and I want to tell you that the ketchup and mustard which I'm using in them, they're homemade. You already know that I show you the ketchup recipe, and if you miss it, I'm gonna put a link below in the comment section to make sure you can make it yourself. If you're interested to make a mustard as well, let me know in comments below and I can make a video about that. As you saw in the video, you can dress it up with different thicks and ingredients, and just let me know what is your favorite ingredient to use dressings for. Put a comment down, or you contact me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I'm gonna show you amazing different style video next Sunday. See you then!
Beating my drum like dum diddy day. I like the dirty rhythm.
I have a tip for you. I truly recommend you to dip the nut just as you saw on the video. On this way you increase the substance absorption of the body. So make sure you dip the nuts, and I'm gonna tell you more about it in another video, why it's so important to do it. Ciao!
Beating my drum like dum